Namaskar friends. Today we are starting a new katha or story section on our channel Akshar Pravah, and it is our pleasure to welcome you for the first katha or story. So let us start today's story. Once upon a time, in some faraway forest, many birds used to live happily. They lived together, sharing and caring for each other. Then someday a hunter came to the forest and he set up a trap. He placed some food in it and then went and hid somewhere. Slowly, many birds came, eager to eat, and got trapped. After some time, the hunter came back, tied all the birds, and took with him. None of those birds were ever seen again. Having seen this, the remaining birds were very unhappy. Then, one elderly and wise bird thought that just being sad and crying is not going to help. Something must be done to ensure that this doesn't happen again. He gathered other birds and wrote a song. A hunter will come, he will set up a trap. There will be some food, but it will be a trap. We shouldn't be greedy, we shouldn't get trapped. A hunter will come, he will set up a trap. So they created a song like this and started teaching all the kids. The kids too enjoyed it. They used to sing this song all the time after waking up, before brushing,
A hunter will come, he will set up a trap.
before eating their food,
A hunter will come, he will set up a trap.
while playing with friends.
A hunter will come, he will set up a trap.
Very soon, everyone remembered the whole song.
A hunter will come, he will set up a trap. There will be some food, but it will be a trap. We shouldn't be greedy, we shouldn't get trapped. A hunter will come, he will set up a trap.
Some days passed by. Sure enough, after some days, the hunter came back to the forest and again set up the trap and again put some food. But again, in some time, many greedy birds came and got trapped. And do you know what they were doing while trapped? They were singing a song. Which song? Yes, they were all singing.
A hunter will come, he will set up a trap. There will be some food, but it will be a trap. We shouldn't be greedy, we shouldn't get trapped. A hunter will come, he will set up a trap.
But they were already trapped. They had full knowledge to avoid the hunter's trap. They remembered the entire song, but they didn't understand the meaning. They didn't put the knowledge in daily practice. So all the knowledge was of no use. Friends, in our lives also we see this. Just like that far-sighted bird, our ancestors, our Rishi Munis, sages, have compiled a host of wisdom in our scriptures and epics like Bhagavad Gita, Ramayana, Mahabharata, Veds, Vedants, Purans, etc. Just reading or memorizing these is not enough. We should understand this knowledge in our context and live that wisdom in our daily lives. Only then these efforts will be meaningful. They were done for our well being by our ancestors. If we want to save ourselves, our families, and our societies from the troubles of life, then we have to understand this knowledge and put into practice in our daily lives. Isn't it a very interesting story? Lastly, a few words about our channel Akshar Pravah. Every month, we try and share our rich heritage here through our channel. We try to bring something new in 25 scripts of the world. So far, we have done transliteration of a few texts in 25 scripts. All languages and scripts are accepted and respected. You can read through in your favorite script or listen or chant along. Now we also plan to bring some interesting stories and discussions too. If you like this effort, please remember to like, share and subscribe. See you again. Namaskar.